Did you know that many people struggle with managing their finances even they have access to countless resources? It's true. Money often a taboo topic, yet understanding it is crucial for our well-being. Today, we're diving into some of the money advice from famous YouTuber Ankur Warikoo, highlighting 5 essential strategies that can help you secure your financial future. These tips are not your average financial advice. They offer fresh perspectives that may change the way you think about money. So, stick around if you're ready to transform financial habits in practical ways. First up, let's talk about the importance of investing in yourself. Ankur emphasizes that the biggest asset you have is your own skill set. This means spending time and resources on learning new skills, whether it's through online courses, workshops, or reading. Why is this crucial? Because the more your skills improve, the more valuable you become in any field. To implement this, start by identifying what skills are in demand in your area of interest. Make a list and commit to dedicating a few hours a week to learning and practicing them. Next, let's discuss the power of budgeting in a way that isn't restrictive. Ankur believes that budgets should be seen as a roadmap rather than a cage. Instead of cutting out all your favorite things, allocate money for what you truly enjoy. This makes it easier to stick to your budget. To put this into practice, try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, which includes essentials like housing and food. 30% for wants, such as dining out and entertainment, and 20% for savings or investments. This way, you can enjoy life while still being financially responsible. Next up is Ankur's favorite topic, investment strategies in index funds. Ankur often stresses the importance of starting your investment journey as early as possible. He emphasizes that the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from the power of compounding, where your investment earns returns, and those returns generate even more returns. Imagine this scenario. If you invest just 3,000 rupees a month in diversified index fund that averages a 16% annual return, in 20 years, you could end up with over 1 crore rupees. Ankur suggests setting a goal to increase your investment contributions every year, even by a small percentage. This habit can lead to exponential growth over time, allowing your money to work for you while you focus on other areas of your life. Now let's talk about the importance of having an emergency fund. Ankur recommends saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to cushion yourself against unexpected financial shocks. Having this fund can provide peace of mind and financial stability when life throws curveballs your way, whether it's medical emergencies or sudden job loss. He emphasizes that building an emergency fund is a crucial step toward financial independence. Ankur suggests starting small. Aim to save a certain amount each month until you reach your target amount. This fund acts as a safety net, allowing you to manage unforeseen expenses without derailing your long-term financial goals. Lastly, let's discuss debt management. Ankur advocates for using strategies like the snowball method, where you focus on paying off smaller debts first. This creates momentum and motivates you to tackle larger debts. Ankur also emphasizes the importance of avoiding debt altogether. He warns against the loan traps that many fall into, like credit cards with high interest rates, which can lead to a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Ankur advises viewers to live within their means, create a budget, and save for purchases instead of relying on credit. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage it. By following these unique money management strategies from Ankur Warikoo, you can take real steps towards financial stability and growth. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and share it with someone who might benefit from it. What money management tips do you find the most effective? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And remember, small changes today can lead to big results tomorrow.